Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a starter on a Chrysler Town and Country. First, prioritize safety by disconnecting the negative battery cable. Next, gather your tools, including a 13mm socket, a 15mm socket, and a ratchet. You will also need a jack and two sturdy jack stands. Always ensure your vehicle is safely elevated and supported before beginning any work underneath. Now let's locate the starter motor, which is usually found on the passenger side, mounted to the transmission bell housing. You'll see two electrical connections, a large power wire and a smaller signal wire. Carefully disconnect both of these. Then, using your 15mm socket, remove the 2 or 3 mounting bolts that hold the starter in place. Once the bolts are out, the old starter can be carefully removed. With the old starter out, it's time to install the new one. Carefully align the new starter with its mounting holes on the transmission. Insert the 2 or 3 mounting bolts and hand tighten them first to ensure proper alignment. Once snug, use your 15mm socket to fully tighten them. Finally, reconnect the main power wire and the smaller signal wire to their respective terminals on the new starter. Almost done. Carefully lower your vehicle from the jack stands. Now, reconnect the negative battery cable to the battery terminal, ensuring it's tight and secure. The moment of truth, try starting your engine. It should crank over smoothly and start without hesitation. Listen for any unusual noises and check for any warning lights on your dashboard. Congratulations, you've replaced your starter.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.